Okay, I woke up with unruly hair today completely, and I don't think I can just blow it regular because it's getting too long and everything. So I'm going to curl it with a curling iron and show you how I'm going to wear my hair today, okay? So hang on. First I'm going to brush through the whole thing in case I have snags and what have you. Then I'm going to start in the crown of my head. And I've got my curling iron on pretty hot. So my hair's probably going to be pretty curly today. I think this is considered a 3/4 barrel. The one I'm using is, it's Wild Primrose. I don't even know where I got it. Okay, so I'm going to take this one now and I'm going to turn it kind of to the side a bit. Then I'm going to pretty much go down the back and have it just go down. Wonder if I can get a bigger brush. That brush is kind of big. Okay. Really need a haircut. Trying to decide if I want to go to as much trouble to cut it myself. If I could take my head off and cut it, it'd be way easier. See if I can find a smaller. Use this.
Don't worry about it. Whenever you.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
I'll turn around and show you. I'm just randomly curling the back as I can feel it. Okay. Now, I don't know if I want these to puff out, but you know what? Let's just do it. And then if we don't like it puffing out, we can kind of change it on the sides, okay? All right. And this up here, I have this actually coming down and off to the side just a smidgen. Down and off. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to put this all together so it doesn't separate when it's all said and done. I may have to straighten it a bit. Ouch. Remember I told you guys that I had to have an implant tooth? Well, I finally got the implant tooth put in. And honestly, it feels huge in my mouth. It feels so big. It's really been bugging me. It is getting a little less huge in my mouth, so I guess I'm getting used to it. But I have to say, it's really weird chewing on it. Yeah, it's just different for sure. I'm having to, I told my husband, I said, I almost don't even, ouch. I guess I almost don't even enjoy I got my thumb hung in there. There, that was a little bit better angle. I almost don't enjoy the food chewing it on that. So, I mean, I think time will take care of that. Now these I'm just going to kind of do like this. See, look how long it's getting in the back. It's, I guess you'd have to call this a long pixie. I think I got most of the places on the back. All right, and then I might straighten that just a little. Whoa. Okay, so, I mean, if I was doing somebody else's hair, oh wait, look, I got one whole spot that didn't get curled. See that? That's weird. That's not gonna work. Just gonna wad that up, try to make it as flat as I can, and curl it. There we go. If I was fixing somebody else's hair, especially if it was clean, I would spray it a little bit at this point. But I washed my hair, I think it was yesterday. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this curly stuff. We're gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna use my hands, I think, first to see what I can do. Yeah, see the poofy that I was talking about? This one didn't do it so much, but this one did. Okay, let's see. Now, I mean, for years and years and years, I've manipulated my hair with hairspray. And, I mean, I could do one of those hairdos that goes way high like that. It's just that my forehead is pretty wrinkled. And honestly, I try to hide it most of the time. So even if it just goes off to the side with little spikies, you know. Pull that one down there a little bit. Now, you know, I always talk about ratting my hair or teasing my hair. I'm gonna tease this to calm down here. You know, just tease it a little bit and head it back in that direction, and the same I'm gonna do over here. However, because my hair is so natural curly, with if it's hot, which I think it's supposed to be 70 here today, which will be fine, and if I'm out in the sun and stuff, it's gonna start curling up anyhow right here. That's why very often I'll use a curling iron and straighten that. Like, I'll show you. Use it like a flat iron. Same over here. Yeah. And then you can still, if you need to, take kind of a fine comb and tease it into the spot you want it into. Yeah. And if it's too flat in some areas, you know, just poof it out. I just happen to have one of these combs right now. And then the back, I'm just gonna pick it out with my hands. And like I said, you can manipulate your hair with your hairspray. Like, you know, it depends what you want this part to do. You can pull it forward, you can hang on to it, hold it up, and now this is a pretty hefty hairspray. So I just bought this one. I haven't even opened it yet. And it's the Kenra, but it's number 13, which is very gentle. It's not hard holding. I mean, you know, it's gentle. The best way I can explain it. And sometimes, yeah, I'll hold my bangs up and spray up under my bangs to get them to control the way I want them to control. Yeah. Oh, I got a bump there. You know, and you should take a mirror and look at the back of your hair and see what's going on. And you may have wanted, since it's so long, if you wanted to, you could curl out a little flip there if you wanted. Whatever you want. Now, this thing right here, I'm going to spray it and manipulate it the way I want it to go. Sometimes it wants to do its own thing, but I get to be the boss of my hair most of the time. Now, sometimes you can try to be the boss and it takes over anyhow, right? It's true. Okay, so that's, didn't take too long, really. And it's curly. It's certainly curly, but it's okay. It's an okay hairdo. I mean, if you don't like your crown so high, push it down. You can have this higher and this lower. A lot of people do that, like the crown not so high, and have the, you know, piece it out like you like it. Yeah. So there you have it. I'm going to be a bit more curlier for today, and it's okay. And if you don't like the sides poofed out, you can push those in and spray it again if you don't like them all poofed out. And if you want, like I said, the crown, if you don't want it as high so that when you look sideways, this is poofing out instead of just flat against your head. I like it where it's, I don't mind it coming all down forward. I just don't like it flat in the front. I just don't like my hair like that. I don't like to look at the side and see flat. Now, probably tomorrow, I probably will wash my hair. Number one, because this is pretty hefty hairspray. I mean, I can brush it out and see. So, I mean, it's nothing to go 3 days, you know, at least. It doesn't matter. But for one thing, my hair is dry, so I don't have that greasy, hair when it starts getting a little bit dirty. Just gets totally unruly. So there's kind of a curly look. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. It's free. And leave me a comment. It really helps, okay? God bless you all, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay? Have a good day. God bless you. Bye-bye.